Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jason checking in. Today have an issue with the Ryobi 40 volt 5 amp hour battery. I had this battery for maybe, I would say, a little bit over a year. I actually have a couple batteries. I would never fully discharge this battery. I mean, the lowest I've probably gotten into is about maybe 50% before I throw it on the charger. And yeah, so I actually had an issue where I'll put on the charger after using it, and then I'll get this green and red flashing symbol, and that would indicate that with this chart right here on the side that it's a defective battery. Alright, so the issue I'm having is, okay, so it's on that charger, right? So I'll push it, 75%. So it's not charging all the way, or maybe the indicator, level indicator is faulty, or maybe, okay, so now it's showing 4 bars. You see that? If I push it again, it's 3 bars. So there's definitely something going on with it. And the way how I was able to fix this was, believe it or not, was a warranty. Now for the warranty, what I did was I don't know if you can see this, replacing batteries and chargers. To replace a battery that is still in the warranty, please contact our customer service at 877-655-5250 for replacement 4 volt, 18 volt, 24 volt, and 40 volt batteries that are not under warranty. Please visit Home Depot. For all other Ryobi batteries, please visit Direct Tools Factories outlet. Alright, so I contacted that number. I was on hold for maybe about 5 minutes. I had to give the serial number for the battery, I had to give the serial number for the charger, and I had to give the serial number for my lawnmower. I gave them all that, and they said they'll send me out a battery. Within, like, I say 3-4 days, new battery came in the mail. I didn't show them any receipts. They didn't give me any hassle. I told them what the issue was. And I'm supposed to send this battery back, the old one. So here's the new 5 amp hour battery I got. It's pretty dead. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the charger. But yeah, so that's my fix for defective battery. I believe it's 3-year warranty. So yeah, so if you have an issue, with your battery, call that number on the screen. Here, I'll help you out again with the number. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, there's the number, 877-655-5250. I'll put that in the description. And all I did was just Google search Ryobi 40 volt battery warranty, and like literally it's the first thing that popped up. So yeah, go for it. Now you got to send back the old battery. All that stuff is in here. So yeah, just go call them up if you're having the same issue. Get your battery replaced. So that's my 40 volt battery defective fix. Take it easy, guys. Peace out.